Hello and welcome, this is Ahmed Ali again, and in this video we're going to talk about followers traffic. So what is followers traffic? A follower simply is anybody who know you and you started some kind of connection or interaction with, and also they should be interested in your niche market. A quick important note here. You don't have to be a celebrity or influencer with millions of followers or owning a huge email list in order to use this strategy. If you are a total newbie or beginner, then this can be some way to start generating some traffic to your new offer or system that you have just set up. So for you as a beginner, it may not be a very effective way to be used as an evergreen strategy, but it can be a very good way to get started getting some traffic to your new offer. So please make sure that you understand this. Now, types of followers, they can be Facebook friends, and especially those people who started some kind of interaction with you. Maybe they liked your post, they commented on your post or comments. Maybe they started private conversation with you. And if those people are interested in your niche market or the product that you're promoting, then you can post on your wall about your new offer. Also, you can contact each one of them privately by private message, but make sure that you have already started some kind of conversation with them before, so they will pay more attention to what you're going to say. Now, I'll not recommend that you be spamming and just post your link to them. Introduce them to the offer, and if they want further information about it, after that, when they give you the permission, then you'll be able to send them the link. Other way is social media followers. If you have an Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever, then most likely you're going to have some kind of followers. Even if those followers are only 20 or 30 followers, if they are interested in your niche market, then you can start posting about that in those social media accounts. Also, you'll be able to start some kind of interaction with them by private messaging. Obviously, that depends on what social media platform you're using. Also, they can be your email contact. Now, what I mean by email contact, people who just send you an email or reply to one of your emails, then you'll be able to go to your email and just send them private messages about your new offer. Of course, if they are interested in your niche market. And obviously, if you are a little bit advanced and you have some list with a couple of thousands of subscribers, then you can just simply send a broadcast email to all of them within a couple of minutes. But still, if you just have an email contact, you don't have an email list, go to your email and find your contact. Check the email that you sent, the emails you received, and find those people who you started some kind of conversation or reply to your email and send them an email about that new offer. Also, YouTube subscribers, if you have a YouTube channel, even a small channel with a couple of hundred subscribers, then you can use that in order to create a short video, maybe a few minutes video about your new offer, and that's the way just to get it started. Now, you're going to find the instructions to use this strategy for each one of those traffic sources in a text format under this video, so you can check them out after you watch this video. So the most important question here, what kind of results to expect? Now, results from this strategy depends on three factors. The first factor is the number of followers you have. So the more followers you have, the more potential sales you'll be able to make, obviously. The second factor is your relationship with them. So if those followers are just numbers and they are not paying attention to anything you're posting or sending them, or maybe they are not trusting you yet or don't know who you are, so most likely in that case you won't be able to make so many sales. But if vice versa, if your relationship is good with them, when you post something then they pay attention to, then that is going to increase the possibility of you generating more sales. Now, the third factor is the offer match, and that is their willingness and ability to buy. Those people should be interested in your offer in the first place, and they should be able and capable to purchase this offer, because sometimes they are willing to purchase, but depends on their location in the world, maybe from some places in the world where they cannot pay online, or maybe they don't have the financial ability to purchase this offer. So in that case, most likely you're not going to make so many sales, or maybe you don't make sales at all. And for those people who are just getting started online, a total newbie or beginner, you may not get any sales at all. You may get a couple of sales only from this strategy once you post about new offer. So as I said at the beginning, this is just a way to get it started by getting people who are close to you and interested in your niche market to know about your offer, and maybe you're going to make some sales depending on those three factors as we said here. Maybe you're not going to make any sales here, so it doesn't matter, that's okay as well. After you follow this strategy for a specific offer, what you can do, you can get back to the training center and pick any one of the strategies that I laid out there. Maybe you can go to the Easy Traffic Blueprint full course if you already have it. If you don't have it, you can take a look at it through the link on the main page of the Traffic Training Center, or you can go through the other traffic sources, because I have also another traffic source that you'll be able to access right away and start using it immediately. So again, just I want you to understand, as a total newbie, maybe you're not going to get big benefit from this strategy. So you need to start building your followers. You need to have your own email list, maybe a lot of friends and followers on social media who are interested in your offer, and you start building some kind of relationship with them. So that's it for this video. I wish you great luck, and you're gonna find the details about this strategy in a text format under this video. So that's it for now. Take care, and I'll see you on another video.